This beginner to intermediate project will teach you how to create a beautiful, solid silver acorn necklace set with a bullet-shaped cabochon gemstone, using both silver clay and silversmithing techniques. The acorn is one of nature's most recognizable treasures. With their distinctive textured caps and smooth bodies, acorns have long symbolized strength, endurance, and hidden potential, and a reminder that great things often come in small packages. Through this step-by-step online project, you'll use silver clay to create a textured acorn cap that doubles as a rub-over setting for your gemstone, before using traditional silversmithing techniques to create a handmade bail from silver sheet. You'll learn all about working with silver clay, including torch or kiln firing, how to create a silicone mould from nature, and how to make and solder a bespoke silver bail. Finally, you'll learn how to set your bullet-shaped cabochon gemstone by hand. This project is broken down into 11 easy-to-digest video lessons and bonus videos. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, printable bail templates, a sizing guide for your gemstone and acorn, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. And finally, I'm here to help and support you along the way, so if you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.